My Roomba, Rosie, went rogue. She vanished, then reappeared covered in glitter? And what's so the and what's a tiny, crumpled receipt from a dimensional dry cleaners. Wait, is that a miniature, upside-down couch? Rosie's dustbin is overflowing with stuff I've never seen before. It's like a whole other world's trash. Seriously, this is unbelievable. Could Rosie have somehow accidentally vacuumed up a parallel universe? And if so, why is their version of Earth even messier than mine? This is insane. I need answers, and maybe a bigger dustbin.